Okay guys, so welcome to this tutorial. Well, this is the last phase. In this tutorial we're gonna make the page layout, this one over here, all our hand coding. Okay, using all code we're gonna write with our hands. Okay, so what I'm gonna say is that in the past uh, few previous tutorial, whatever you understood, it's okay, don't go back to them. We're gonna understood it all now. See, now let's get started. Click Dreamweaver, let it get opened. Okay, so I'm simply gonna say press Ctrl plus Shift plus M, and over here gonna delete all of them. Okay, yeah, so this is it. This is the shit we wanna make. Fine, let me first of all watch my Facebook. Are there any messages? Fine. See, there is one message and one notification too. So there is not yet a bit of notification. Not for me. Notification was not for me. Whatever. Okay, so this is it. Not the message I wanted to see about. Whatever. So let's continue our task, which is to make that page layout. Okay, we're gonna make fluid layout right now. Okay, fixed layout is kind of piece of shit, so we're not gonna make it right now. And hybrid layout and elastic layout, it's easy. We're gonna make fluid layout and you can convert it to fluid, hybrid or elastic layout. You just need to change the unit. So start with writing ads. First of all, save it. Okay, save it as index.html. Where do you want to save it? Well, I already have one file, index.html actually, so let's modify it actually. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna save it with this name. You save it as you want it. Okay, I'm gonna use code only. Okay, in fact, let's close it, let's maximize it, and let's use split version of now Dreamweaver. Gonna say HTML. Okay, yeah, then head tag, then title tag, then I'm gonna specify title to be page layout. Close the title tag, close the head tag, start the body tag. Okay, yeah, creating the first division tag, making its ID as header. Why am I creating ID of it? Well, I am creating ID because let's open that shit once again. Logo, my logo.html, and see, this template.header is unique. It's of black color and red, and no one actually possesses the same design. No one. That's why I'm writing ID. Okay, and not class. So I'm gonna write over here ID. By the way, remember that this is case sensitive. CSS is case sensitive, but HTML is not. So I can write over here like this. It's okay, but I cannot write over here like this. I need to write it in small. Okay, whatever. This is it. Okay, division ID equals to header. I'm gonna say template header over here, and close division ID. Okay, so make them in one line since it's smaller. It's a good practice, nice syntax equals to quick job in the MNC. Then over here I'm gonna first of all close the page now, body tag close, HTML tag. I save it, I refresh it, and I see template header has come. I'm gonna create a one new file, text document. Oh come on, activate Windows. Windows should become open source now, isn't it? Okay, whatever. By the way, what does open source means? Open source means its source code is available, its source code is available, is freely available. For example, Linux operating system is open source, it's freely available. You can call Linux and say that I want to have I want to install your operating system, and guess what, they will send a free CD of their operating system to your home address. Why? Because it's freely available. It's really nice, isn't it? Yes, this is the advantage of open source. Okay, so some open source softwares are Firefox. This is open source. I can simply go to Firefox website right now and can acquire entire the code which has been used to create this Firefox for free. Okay, we can also contribute in open source, and some other softwares which are freely available is like Android operating system. Once again, it's too open source. You can go and grab its source code. You can change operating system of your mobile if your mobile is Android, and so on. Okay, so whatever. How much is the time? Oh, 6 minutes. So let's get started, guys. I'm gonna name this page as, say, my logo. Okay, within this shit, which is style folder, naming it as my logo.css. Okay, yeah, over here, header is an ID, so I need to write first of all hatch and then header, and then over here I'm gonna say background color to be of black. We can use like this. Okay, it's okay. And I want color to be of red. Okay, yeah, so semicolon is necessary, so remember them. I go to this sheet, and over here I need to link this page, so you need to remember the address of it. I know my address is over here, is where, so link and relation equals to style sheet, and I'm gonna say hyperlink reference equals to, where is it, it's within style folder, and its name is my underscore logo.css. okay, yeah, so this is it. So now I refresh it, I refresh the page, and see, now it's of black color and red. Magic, isn't it? Yeah, I know. And now it's becoming quite easier. You know, just 3 tutorials before, you were not even, some of you were not even knowing how to write the basic page, which is consists of HTML head, and today see where you are. Don't worry, just believe, just continue these tutorials, and after these tutorials are finished, you'll really get amazed in what you have become. Okay, so this is the address. Once again, this is this shit or statement. If you don't remember this statement, it's okay, because it's really difficult to remember. What you need to remember is that it consists of 2 attributes, rel, which specify type of document, style sheet, okay, and the second one is address of the document, okay, which for that we use hyperlink reference. Okay, yeah, over here we specify address of document. That's it. Okay, but if you make, if you make somewhat about 20 of your web pages all in CSS, you will automatically remember this shit of piece, whatever. So title should be like this because it's small, so let it be like this. This is a nice, yeah, you should also maintain your design. For example, you cannot do it like this, it will definitely make your job results into rejection of your job. It should be properly syntaxed. Title is starting over here, so it should be like this either, or like this. Okay, and pretty much complicated stuff should be spaced like this. Title, and title is starting, header is starting over here and closing over here. So this is one piece of block, this is second piece of block, see, block starting over here, and this is HTML. It's up to you. The thing is that it should be clearly visible and understandable. Okay, so let's move forward. Header has been made. Now we're gonna continue in the next tutorial. Thanks for subscribing, comment, rate, I hope you are enjoying.